Good morning, dear children. Welcome to the grammar world. Today, in this session, let us see about the tenses. Tenses shows the time of action. We know that the word which shows the action is called verbs. Verb changes from according to the time of action. Mainly, there are three tenses. They are present, past, and future tense. When a verb refers to an action which is in present or refers to present action, it is said to be in present tense. As this verb refers to the past, it is called past tense. Similarly, a verb refers to a future time. It is called the future tense. Today, let's see about the present tense in detail. Present tense has four forms. They are simple present, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous tense. Today, let's see in detail one by one. First one, simple present. What are the uses of simple present? It is used to talk about the repeated actions or habits or regular actions and also the universal truth. Let's see the uses in detail. Here there are some examples for you. Let's see one by one. First one, the repeated action or the habit. I go to school every day. The office opens at 10 o'clock. To express general truths. Example, the earth moves around the sun. Sugar is sweet. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Dear children, read the examples carefully. Dear children, first one, I go. I is the subject and go is the verb. In second one, the office is the subject and opens is the verb. Third one, the earth is the subject and moves is the verb. In the same way, sugar is subject and is the be form is the verb. The last sentence, the sun is the subject and rises and sets are the verbs used here. From this, we can frame the form of the tense. When the subject is singular, we use S or ES form. And when the subject is plural, we use base form of the verb. Okay, dear children, I hope you understood. Here you see what is the form of the simple present. Subject plus S or ES or base form of the verb. When the subject is singular, use SES. When the subject is plural, use the base form. I hope it is clear to you all. Let's see the second one, present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is used to describe an action that is happening now or at the time of speaking. Can you give some examples? Yes, we are learning English. The teacher is teaching grammar. They are playing. She is praying. And again, it is used to refer an action which is going to take place in the future. We are just coming or I am leaving for Chennai tomorrow. From these examples, we can make the form of present continuous tense. Can you? Subject plus is or are or am plus ing form of the verb. I repeat, subject plus is or are or am plus ing form of the verb. That is the form of present continuous tense. Now, dear children, let's move to the present perfect tense. What are the uses of or why we should use present perfect? It is used to indicate an action has been completed or finished just now or a little time back. We'll explain with some examples. I have finished painting now. And there are other uses also. It is used to indicate an action that takes place in the past and its effects continuing in the present. It is also used to indicate an action begun in the past, but it is continuing at the present time of speaking. Here there is some examples. I have finished painting just now. Grandmother has written a letter. She has lived here for 10 years. From this, we can try to make the form. That is, the form of present perfect is subject plus has or have plus verb 3. Say, when the subject is singular, we use has. And when the subject is plural, we should use have plus V3 form. Verb 3 form we should use. Once again, I repeat the form. Subject plus has or have plus verb 3. Now let's move to the last one, present perfect continuous. It is used to describe an action which began at some times in the past and is still continuing in the present. Let's see the first one. I have been riding bicycle, which means I have started in the before but still riding. Second one, Rekhu has been working since 8 a.m. That means he has started before and still he is working. To show the action that happened in the past and continuing in the present, that is called present perfect continuous tense. Here you say subject plus has or have plus been plus ing form. We used here, that is a form of present perfect continuous. I repeat, subject plus has or have plus been plus ing form of the verb. Subject when the subject is singular use has, and subject when the subject is plural use have plus been plus ing form of the verb. That is present perfect continuous tense. I hope it is clear to you all. Dear children, I hope it is clear. Once again, I repeat the topic what we learned today. First one, that is our chapter 6, the present tense. Present tense has 4 forms. Simple present, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous. We have seen the uses and the forms. What is the form of simple present? Subject plus S or ES or base form of the verb. Present continuous, subject plus is or are or am plus ing form of the verb. Present perfect, subject plus has or have plus V3 form. And present perfect continuous, subject plus has or have plus been plus ing form of the verb. The activities we will do in the group. I will give the answers there. I hope it is clear. And the forms and the uses you should write and keep in your notebook and learn the all these forms and find out yourself at least 5 examples also. Okay, hope it is clear. Thank you. Bye.